Hi guys, welcome learn and master coding activity, a language of future. Coding is important because it is the practical implementation of ideas. Coding, the new literacy. Coding is important because it is the practical implementation of ideas. It is the process of turning abstract thoughts, hypotheses, and dreams into functional, tangible tools and systems that improve lives, drive progress, and shape the future. It is no longer a niche technical skill, but a foundational literacy for the 21st century. A key language of the future. Digital literacy. Just as we learn biology to understand our bodies and history to understand our past, learning to code helps us understand the digital systems that shape our present and future. It moves us from being passive consumers of technology to active, informed participants. Career advantage. Regardless of your field, biology, finance, art, marketing, having coding skills gives you a massive advantage. It allows you to automate your tasks, analyze your data, and create custom tools specific to your needs. Thanks for watching the video. Please visit my blog for details. Please do not forget to like, share my video, also subscribe to my channel. Also visit for my blog for more information. Thank you guys.